Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to access ChatGPT Canvas on your desktop or browser. Canvas is a dedicated workspace for writing and coding that opens in a side-by-side view. First, ensure you are using a supported model. There are 3 ways to open the interface. The easiest is the auto trigger. Simply ask ChatGPT to write a 500-word essay or write a Python script. If the output is longer than 10 lines, Canvas usually opens automatically. To open it manually, type /canvas in the prompt composer or click the add or plus icon, select More, and select Canvas. If you already have a chat going, just type Use Canvas or Open a Canvas to move your current project into the editor. Forward-thinking tip: if Canvas isn't appearing, check your settings under Personalization and ensure Advanced Features, or Canvas, is toggled on. Also, keep in mind that Canvas currently does not support Pro Series reasoning models. And that's it! Canvas turns ChatGPT into a collaborative editor instead of just a chat box. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.